Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at modeling this ATL. And this is a home-built aircraft, so let's go ahead and get started here. I got my pictures on my canvases already. So what I'm going to do here, this could be modeled two ways also. This could be surface modeled also, but we're not going to do that. Just going to go ahead and use a form for this. So look at this from the front. Click Create Form, and I think I'm going to use a cylinder for this. Or I could use a box, but a cylinder seems to be a little more. I think the cylinder is going to give us a better shape. I'm not sure, just a guess. Add height faces, drag this out. Go ahead and click OK. And this actually, I'm going to delete these here. Hold down the Alt and drag this forward. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what my videos are showing you how to do, click the like button as well. Drag this back a little more. Okay. That looks pretty good. Okay, go ahead and finish that. Well, right here looks just a little off, so I'll go back here, right click, edit. Okay, that looks better. Create a sketch on this plane here. Split body. Use this. Split body again. This. Turn that sketch back on. Splitting tools this. Now let's do the wing. Create a sketch on this plane here. Then select the line tool. Here, back to here. Then look at this from the top. Now this here, let's go back. And this one needs to go forward a little. Now this probably shifted on this axis a little. No worries, I'll just rotate that later. Again, using arbitrary airfoil, if you have one, go ahead and use it. And I showed you guys how to use spline points. Don't remember the name of them. Put them in here in one of my videos I showed you guys. Use airfoil data DAT files for the airfoil. Okay, go ahead and finish sketch. Then we're going to use a plane at an angle and use this line right here. Keep this at 0 degrees and click OK. And look at this from the top. Create a sketch on this plane here. And we're going to project the front of that airfoil. Turn the canvas off so I can see that real quick. So this and this. Then turn the canvases back on. And we're going to use a line tool. Snap it here and pull this all the way out. Use a fit point spline back here. Finish sketch. Turn the canvases off. And see if it lets us do this. And we're going to use a sweep. Change this to path and guide rails. Select the two profiles. Path is that. And guide rail is this. See if it lets us do it, and it does. And click OK. Turn that sketch back on. Okay. Just want to neaten that up a little. Okay, now what I've did not do, this is at an angle here. So if I go back here, let's see if I can edit this. Looks like it needs to be just a little more. Okay, that looks the right angle, but it's just a little low, but that's no problem. And I'm going to move this up. Not that much. And that's what we have so far. Not too bad for 18 minutes worth of work. Okay, what I want to do is do a little canvas is off here. That looks about right, but it looks like it needs to come down a little more. Okay, we got a little problem here. All right. See what let's do this. It should, and there we go. Now, make sure it needs to go down a little more. Okay. And that looks good. Let's go ahead and put our spinner on here. Create a sketch on this plane here. Going to use a line. Another line. Just want to know the center of this. Trim that away. Finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. And I'm going to use a revolve. Profile selected, and the axis is this. Let me cancel this. Okay. That. And the axis is this. Click OK. And this is looking really good. Now, look at this from the front. And create a sketch on this plane here. Now this looks big and it's not directly that shape. I'll come back and modify that. Go ahead and do that, modify it now. Okay, come back here, edit. Actually, those are wrong ones to select. Select the line instead. Just like that. And same thing for the top. Okay. Now that looks much better. Looks like the real plane now. Now, turn the canvases back on and turn the origin back on. And now we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. Use a fit point spline. This is just a guesstimation because I'm not actually have a picture of this in front of me, but this is how you would do this, the front here. Okay, then we're going to use a mirror. Click OK. Finish sketch. Now we're going to extrude. And that looks like a little too much, too big. No problem. Go back and cancel this or delete it. I bring it back and come back to the sketch, edit, and bring this in. Still might be a little too much, but bring it in some more. Okay, that's better. But just a little more. And go ahead and leave that as is now. This is looking pretty good. Mirror that wing there and keep it as a new body and click OK. Now let's go ahead and put the vertical stabs on here. And we create a sketch on this plane here. And we're going to draw a line here to here. Looks a little low, but we'll leave it for there for now. Go ahead and click OK, finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. And we're going to put a plane at an angle. Turn off the rest of these bodies so I can see this back here. Looks to be about there. Go ahead and click OK. Let me move this line up a little. Up just a little more. Okay. Again, create a sketch on this plane here. And like I said, if you do have the profile, go ahead and use it. Go and project this. Like I said, if you have a profile, use it. Okay, turn that construction plane back on. And we want to create a sketch on it. And we want to project these again. The 2 points and the line. And we're going to use the line tool. Snap it there. Pull this all the way out here. Same thing for the front. Finish sketch. I'm going to turn off the canvas, and we're going to use a sweep again. Path guide rail full extents. These are the 2 profiles to use. Path and guide rail. Click OK. Okay. I'm going to go back to this sketch here. Edit. Turn the bodies off. And make this bigger. And it probably needs to be bigger. It does. Okay, no problem. And it still needs to be bigger according to that. And this needs to be a little longer out here, which is no problem. What I'll do is just edit sketch here and pull this out and pull this out. Okay, then we go back to that again. Pull this out a little more and okay. Turn the sketches off. Now I can make this thicker and by just going back and editing that sketch, but I'm not going to. It's just right now, it's you guys know how to do that. It just shows you how to do it, so it'd just be a waste of time me doing it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and mirror this. And the mirror plane is this. And make it a new body also. And click OK. Okay. Not bad. Now these are going up like that. And I don't like that. So I'm going to create a sketch. This body here. Use line tool. And I'm going to mirror that to the other side also. Click OK. Finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. Split body. This is the body to split. And this is your splitting tool. Click OK. And this here, I'm going to go ahead and remove it. Turn that last sketch back on. And split body again. This. Splitting tool is that. Click OK. And this little piece here. Remove it. I cancel this. Turn the sketches off. And pretty much, this is our airplane here. So, turn the canvases back on. And we can put this piece in here. And to do that, turn off these. You turn off all these too so I can see this better. Turn the origin back on, and I'm going to use a form on this plane, and I'm going to use a box. pull this back. Some height faces. Click OK. And delete these. And move this back. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this back needs to come down a little. Okay. And that looks good. Edit this. Fill hole. Okay. Click OK. Finish sketch. All right. Looking good. Try to sketch on this plane here. And use a pipe command here. This is the path. Okay. And we use the pipe command again. This is the path. Set this to new body. I want this to be, let's see. Okay. Create a sketch on this plane. All right, let's do the landing gear here. Excuse me. Let's see how I want to do this. Okay. Do the main gear back here, construct offset plane. This, and drag this back. Right about there. Could go back a little farther, but that's okay. Then create a sketch on this plane. And I'm going to use the line tool. Turn these off. Okay, then finish sketch. Turn sketches back on. I'm going to extrude this. Pull this back. Click OK. And move this back just a little. And create a sketch on this plane. Use the line tool. Another line tool. Finish sketch. Then split body. This is the body to split. This is the tool here. Click OK. Turn that sketch back on. And split the body again. This one here. This is the splitting tool. Click OK. Now this here, remove it. And this piece here, remove it. Okay, that looks good. Now, I'm going to mirror that. Now, I don't have a really good view of this front wheel, but I'm going to guess here. So turn the origin back on, and I'm going to use a offset plane like this. Pull this back. Right there looks a little too close. Move this up forward a little bit. Click OK. And create a sketch on this plane. And use the line tool. Okay. Turn the sketches back on. And I'm going to extrude this also. Click OK. I'll turn this off so I can see it here. Create a sketch on this plane. Well, I can't see this so great. I don't know what this tail wheel really looks like. So it's just like I said, this is a guesstimation. Split body. This is the body of the split. And split body again. Turn on that last sketch. And remove that. Finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. And I'm going to extrude this. Okay. Okay. This is all I'm going to show. There's not much more to do, and because I'm running out of time here. But here's what we have. And you can just do the wheels. Those are real simple to do. And that's what we have. Again, this is not hard to do. So yeah. Again, if you're new to my channel or you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like my videos, hit the like button as well. And I also invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look. And if you can, become a paid Patreon. And it's only $5 a month. And you have access to everything that I show you how to model here. You have access to the files. And if you don't see it on the Patreon site, just shoot me an email. And on my Patreon site, and I can send you the files. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.